Hey everyone, I'm so excited to be sharing this keto spaghetti or egg noodle recipe with you. Made without Vita wheat gluten, oat fiber, psyllium husk, almond flour, or coconut flour, this recipe is a must-try. Let's take a look at some of the ingredients. To make these keto spaghetti or egg noodles, you will need egg yolk powder. This will help with taste and provide some color to mimic the real noodles. We will use xanthan gum to help with texture. Lupin flour is used for texture as well and to balance out the egg yolk powder. This is optional. If you're trying to avoid legumes, skip it. This recipe is very similar to my KELP noodle recipe, so we will also need sodium alginate and calcium lactate. Using a high-speed blender, add 3 cups of filtered water to the container. Turn on the blender and keep it running on low speed. Add 3 tablespoons of egg yolk powder, followed by 2 tablespoons of lupin flour if using. This is optional. Add in half a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of xanthan gum, and 3 tablespoons of sodium alginate. Blend on high speed until the mixture is thickened. Transfer to a bowl and refrigerate for 30 minutes to allow the bubbles to accumulate to the top. Meanwhile, prepare the calcium bath by adding 1 tablespoon of calcium lactate to 7 cups of filtered water. Mix the solution until the calcium lactate is completely dissolved and the water is clear. Scoop out any bubbles accumulated on the top. The mixture should be thick and shouldn't have any bubbles. At this point, the mixture is a pale yellow. If you would like to add some color to it, you can add some turmeric powder to naturally color it. If you would like more color, add another 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well to combine. Transfer the mixture into a squeeze bottle and squeeze the mixture into the calcium bath. Hold the bottle with one hand while the other hand is stirring the solution in one direction. The texture of these noodles are perfect for spaghetti or noodle soups. Don't forget to prepare it with baking soda and lemon juice or lime juice to soften it. Check out my KELP noodle video for detailed instructions. Imagine filling this bowl with your favorite soup and all the toppings. Or make your best spaghetti sauce recipe and have these noodles soak up all the wonderful flavors. This keto spaghetti noodle recipe or egg noodle recipe is a game changer and will change the way you keto. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the recipe. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Keto Asian Flavors for authentic, fusion, and fun food creations. See you next time.